Welcome to US Aviation Academy maintenance training facility here in San Marcos, Texas. Let me show you around. So here in San Marcos, we have 3 classrooms, quite spacious, plenty of room for the students. You get plenty of hands-on experience and you get a lot of interpersonal interaction with your instructors as well. Each classroom you can see has 2 whiteboards, audio-visual equipment to aid and enhance in your learning experience. So here we have our King Air simulator. We use it to teach our students about instruments. We use it to teach them how to do turboprop starts and run-ups. Probably the most effective thing it is for the student. It allows them to actually get into the airplane with the actual instruments on, so that it allows them to see cockpit flight effects. Actually, as the pilot will see that, that gives them a great advantage of actually seeing what it looks like on a live instrument, rather than just say looking at it in a picture in a book someplace. So this is where all the hands-on training occurs here at US Aviation Academy. Around the hangar you'll see several different types of airplanes, starting with a Cessna 152 all the way up to our largest aircraft, Lear 25.